Hello dear students, this is MAAN sir and today I am going to explain some common error questions of English grammar based on the chapter Noun and Number. And the question of this edition is, the sheep are grazing in the garden. The present statement is grammatically incorrect. The correct one is, the sheep are grazing in the garden. Now the question here arises how the first statement is grammatically incorrect and the second one is correct. The answer is very simple. We cannot make plural of the word sheep by adding s at the end, as it remains unchanged both in singular as well as in plural form. Not only the word sheep, there are some other words which remain unchanged both in singular as well as in plural form. They are as follows: aircraft, cod, crew, deer, fish, jury, mankind, offspring, parliament, salmon, series, sheep, species, swine, trout, etc. Now the question here arises about the verb that comes after these words. Will it be singular or plural? It all depends on the number that comes before these words. Like, if we write one sheep, we will use singular verb, like one sheep is. If the number is more than one, like two sheep are. In the same manner, one deer is, but two deer are. If there is no number given, we can write either is or are. Both will be correct. There won't be any problem in that. So the answer of this question will be, the sheep are grazing in the garden as well as the sheep is grazing in the garden. Both are absolutely correct. But remember, we cannot use s or es to make plural of these words.